Hi, I'm Andrea Ansel, Director of Design here at FTD. Today, I am going to create one of our new Valentine's Day designs for 2021. This one is called Sweet Thing. These simple yet unique vases offer a vintage apothecary look with a fresh approach to design. Each vase has a generous cinch and a wide mouth, allowing optimal water capacity. The focus of this design should be on the loosely gathered floral bouquet. Before we get started, I wanted to do a little show and tell. Here is a finished design in the standard size. In the exquisite size for Valentine's Day, we have introduced 6 stems of red roses to the premium size, allowing consumers multiple options to consider, and it helps you, our florist, to streamline the floral varieties and upsell for Valentine's Day. Today I will design the standard size. We're aware that some of our smaller sizes need a little extra creativity to best utilize the contents allowed and at certain price points. Our strategy for many of our designs is that our vases grow in size as retail price of these bouquets increase. Now for some tips and flower talk. This is a short vase, so remember not to make the bouquet super tall, it will throw off the balance. I like to have the flowers almost equal in height to the vase, something to consider when cutting stems prior to insertion. Super important, make sure to remove any foliage that will fall below the water line. This will keep the vase water as clean as possible, and it will make the overall design look polished when it's complete and ready to be delivered to mark a special occasion. Tip 1. Let's start with the cushion palms. Due to the natural structure of palms, a slender stem with a cluster of flowering blooms. This will work perfectly to create a botanical grid and make inserting the balance of the blooms easier. Tip 2. We'll add the alstroemeria. As you can see, I start with the largest blooms and gradually move to the medium-sized blooms. I will finish this off with the smaller and more delicate flowers. Tip 3. We'll add the salal tips. These are the perfect size and structure and color of greenery to work with this vase. Tip 4. Let's add our purple carnations. I like to add these close to the cushion palms. I just love to see how these colors pair up so well together. While running and operating my own flower shop in the past, and when I create these designs for the first time here at FTD, I like to use a variety of textures within each floral design. It adds extra interest and makes each individual flower relevant in these arrangements. Tip 5. Next up, we'll add a few stems of stock blooms. This is a nice way to introduce a little added height to the design. Tip 6. Let's add our mini carnations, our smallest blooms in this design. Always great to use stems that have a few buds and a couple of open blooms. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I hope you find my tips useful, and I believe you will find the vases as enjoyable to design in as I do. Your friends here at FTD wish you a happy and successful Valentine's Day. Enjoy arranging these floral bouquets that are full of love.